Mr. Hero!
We're gonna pop this water bottle and make this cap go flying.
Go boom! Patake! No, I will do it.
Okay. Ready to see an explosion happen?
Yes. Yay! We do the explode already. Woo!
Uh-oh. Which way? Woo! Hi friends, we're back with another video. My name is Sami and today I'm here with
Mr. Hero!
That's right, I'm here with Mr. Hero. Today we're gonna make an experiment. We're gonna pop this water bottle and make this cap go flying. Are you excited?
I can go boom! Patake!
That's right.
It's done.
To start off, we're gonna make this cap a little bit loose. Here, let's make it a little loose. A little bit.
No, I will do it.
Okay. Perfect, that's it. Good job.
I can go explode like this. Boom!
Yeah, look here.
Patake!
Okay, next we're gonna squeeze this water bottle really, really tight and make the air inside compress. That just means tightly together. Hero, are you ready?
Yes.
Look here.
No, you need to make more open.
Good job. I think he's right. Okay.
With this.
Now there's something inside.
Give me it.
Let's try again. Okay, ready? Set. Hero, are you ready to see an explosion happen?
Yes.
Ready? Set. Uh-oh. Which way? Woo! Look at the cap! Was that cool?
Yes. I want to do that feature. Yay! We do the explode already. Woo! I like it. Super.
Hooray!
Put together, put it together.
Okay, friends, now we're on to our second bottle, and this time we're gonna do a slow motion. Are you guys ready?
Yes, I want to do it. Give me it.
Turn the bottle. No,
That
not
was
like
wrong.
that.
Hooray!
Okay, ready, friends? Using all your strength. Okay, Hero, are you ready?
Ah!
Ready? Are you ready to see it
I
explode?
have really big shoes.
Hooray!
Where did that one go? Where did it go?
9.
We did 2 of them! Yay! Hero, did you like that?
Yes!
It was so cool, right?
Yes, I can do that again.
Yeah, we will do it in another video. Thank you for joining us on our mini water bottle experiment. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for our journey. Bye now.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Mwah.